at the corner of Pineapple Street. And you gotta meet me.
Rain, well, I'm currently in the bathroom, as you can see, and I'm gonna do my hair. And I thought, why not react to the video of you opening the presents? Because I wish I was there, but... Hello, Rain. This is Mimi right here. Hi. And now I'm going to react to the video.
Is she at home?
Yes.
Are you? Okay.
Ready?
Let me do that one more time.
Now Mimi is slowly doing a scenery thing.
Maybe it was too fast. What did she say?
She said, this is so dusty. So dusty. Huh? Is from Noel. She said, to rain, which rhymes with shame. Oh, this is so cute.
What is it? What is it?
A bag.
What does it say?
Sleep all day. Literally me. Literally me. Oh, there's more.
Oh,
There's more.
there's more.
I like this wrapping paper.
Thanks, we bought it here.
It's very thrift story.
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
What does it say?
It says top secret. If I bought it for you because it was, I don't know, it kind of like, you know that, like you look super Asian, so like I'm like, oh my gosh, is that rain? Okay.
She taped it.
I can't. I opened the biggest one. She said, AKA the rain. This is funny. Mr. Rogers.
Wait, let me see.
Encouragements.
I can't get it. Hold on.
Ugly names.
The encouragements from Mr. Rogers one. And they're really strong too because you shared them with me.
LOL names.
Then the one's nails. Wait, it's the same color, Ray.
These all better be puns. These all better be puns. Aww. What is this?
It's a Cupid baby. This one.
Oh, another baby. It's another baby.
Oh.
There's so many babies from her. This one's cute.
You will have an explanation later.
Is this an actual Cupid baby?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So much meaning to the Cupid baby.
It's the Cupid
baby. This one. Oh, another baby.
It's another baby.
It's another
There's so many
baby.
babies from her.
It's too cute. Just
You will
like
have an
the,
explanation later.
Is this an actual Cupid baby?
it is a Cupid baby. I bought it for $14
So much meaning to the Cupid
on eBay. They're really expensive. Is that all?
Oh, my shirt.
This is.
Oh my gosh. Aww.
Oh, cute.
It's me. It's not you. I'm guessing that's you. The black one.
Yes.
She's had this for a long time.
Hey, I should show the exact, like the different ones. Okay, BRB.
Oh, there's nothing in there.
What?
Nothing.
Oh. Was it just the bag?
That's one of the gifts I got with you and what it's like 2 different ones, and I was like, oh, this is like perfect for you, and this is for
What does yours look like?
Nail was like, thanks for the hat, and she put it on her head.
That's cool.
So Mimi had also given me like a pair of whatever she gave you, and it's so funny. Okay, so this is the bag that Mimi got me, and it's like, I don't know how you would use this bag. Maybe if you.
No fun. Oh, wait.
Nail was like, thanks for the hat, and she put it on her head. Perfect. But this is so us, because it's like different. Like, I got this cat one, and look at the detail if it will focus. It's focusing on Mimi's face. Get out of my. Which way do I turn it?
It's autofocus.
Oh, it's autofocus, Rainy. There's the cat. I just love the detail. This is very me. I don't know. Oh, it has pocket.
Cute little way to take care of your skin. Your skin.
Ooh. It's in Korean, so you don't understand it, but I'll explain it to you later.
You use a stick.
No.
Oh.
What? That's just a little note.
But I'll explain it to you later.
You use a stick.
No. No fun! That's not a
Just a
stick!
little note.
It's a note.
What is it?
It's the chapstick.
Glacier.
Which one did you get?
What is it?
Rose glossy.
Oh, I never tried it. I think I tried it. I don't like it.
Oh, it's so cute. She said, my little soulmate.
Pun intended.
I think they're super cute. What is this one?
Wait. It's the shoe. Is it a matching shoe?
Did you get the thing on the bottom? Did you get it? Did you understand
Did
the
you
bottom part?
understand it?
I colored.
It says SOULMATE. Soulmate. Literally,
I know.
soul mate and soul. Oh, it says owl
And
too.
so you go hate yourself so hard.
Aw, this is very me.
What is it?
Pizza.
I thought you would like this one. Dude, that's so cute.
What I like. That's cute, yeah.
You want it?
On your shirt.
It's a hippopot. No, it's a walrus with a nightcap on. I forgot how to do that.
This is very me.
What is it?
Pizza.
What's in there?
It's one last thing.
I don't know why I put it at the bottom. I was like, oh, this is gonna be hard to get out, but it's whatever. She could struggle for it.
Gotta work for it. Oh my gosh.
Use the pen. Let me see. Let me get it. Hold this.
I did a good job packing it.
Oh, how the heck you do that?
There you go. Switch. It's called Acne Pimple Master Patch. Thank you very much for all your lovely gifts.
You're welcome. Is that all? Is that all? Okay. Goodbye.
Bye, Rainy. I miss you already.
My heart.
Wait, your tattoo vlog was really good.
It's so cute.
It is healed.
I can't even lift it up.
Oh, this is the struggle. Oh my gosh. Wait, I don't know how to do that. It has healed, and good thing I shaved my legs today. And look at. Remember, you were like, I can't wait till it heals, and I was just thinking, now it's like putting lotion on it too. I was like, it has healed, Rain. Like, what? That was like 2 months ago, and I don't know, it just feels so far away, but it was such a good experience. And I hope that we will get matching tattoos one day. But tattoos, maybe yours will be on the left cheek and mine will be on the right cheek and Mimi's will be on the crack. I might just live in Zona, make some money. Like, I'm licensed to make money rain. That's funny to me. Me doing that. Kind of boring video, but whatever. At least we're making videos, so.
I'll edit it. It can be interesting with a dish.
With special effects. Anyway, so cute.
There's nothing in there.
Yes, there is.
Fun did that too.
It's cushion in there. This is. Wait, we can give these to our babies.
It's a keychain.
I hope, but I promise that my baby will not bully you, like bully your child like how I bullied you. Hot dogging you at recess. Corn dog, same thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Tis, but farewell on camera.
We really need to work on this.
I know this is.
This is extremely bad. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. But well, we'll see you next time on the Mimi and Owl show. Ah! Goodbye, Rain, which rhymes with Shane.